life, it's one and only. Every day's a brand new chance. Don't let your dreams fade in the shadows. Everything is here and now. Celebrate life like the greatest day. Smile at the sunshine and the rain. Every moment is a gift, a burning flame. So light your heart again and again. Don't be afraid to walk your journey, even when the road is tough. Every mistake will make you wiser, leading you to rise above. Celebrate life like the greatest day. Smile at the sunshine and the rain. Every moment is a gift to burning flame. So light your heart again and again. Every morning starts a new story. Every evening's time to be grateful. You're living, dreaming, flying. Don't let a second go to waste. Celebrate life like the greatest day. Smile at the sunshine and the rain. Every moment is a gift, a burning flame. So light your heart again and again. We wide awake each other. We met as if by chance, but my heart knew right away. One look and the world stopped turning, like a light igniting inside. Love is not just some needing, it's faith's invisible flight. We were waiting for each other forever, and now we found our light. I search for you in every sunrise, sunrise, and the raindrop from window pane. You were so close, yet so distant. And now you stand all the way there with me. I search for you all the pain. Said I so far distant, and now they're standing here with me. Love is not just some meeting, it's faith's invisible thread. We were waiting for each other forever, and now we found light. We don't need words or answers, we read our hearts like an open page. The world felt empty without you, but now it's you and This fate's invisible.